Did you know that the average driver will experience at least one car accident in their lifetime? While we can't prevent them, we can certainly be better prepared for them. Imagine if you had a trustworthy witness to capture everything on the road, from accidents to unexpected events. Well, today, we're talking about the Nextbase 122 dashcam, a compact but powerful recording device that claims to do just that. Welcome to Autovated. Today, we're breaking down the Nextbase 122 dashcam, a small, easy-to-use device that promises crystal clear HD recordings and an impressive 140-degree wide-angle lens. Whether you're worried about insurance claims or just want to have peace of mind while driving, this dashcam may be the perfect fit for your vehicle. The Nextbase 122 dashcam is designed for drivers looking for a simple yet efficient way to record their journeys. It records footage in 720p HD resolution at 30 frames per second, FPS, ensuring high-quality visuals. Thanks to its 140-degree wide viewing angle, the camera captures a broad field of vision, which could come in handy for recording incidents in your vicinity. You also get a 2-inch high-resolution screen that makes reviewing footage a breeze. Now, let's take a closer look at some key features that make the 122 stand out. 1. HD recording at 30 FPS and wide viewing angle. The 122 provides 720p HD footage at 30 FPS, which is pretty standard for most entry-level dashcams. The 140-degree field of view covers a wide area, ensuring that your recording isn't limited to just what's directly in front of you. This feature is especially valuable when it comes to insurance claims, where having a wider field of vision can be crucial in proving your side of the story. 2. Exclusive Click-and-Go Pro powered car mount. One of the standout features of this model is its unique Click-and-Go Pro mount. With magnetic power connectors, the dashcam easily attaches and detaches from the mount, making installation and removal effortless. This wireless setup ensures you don't have to deal with any messy cables, providing both convenience and a sleek look in your car. 3. Intelligent Parking Mode. This is a neat feature for drivers who often leave their cars parked in public areas. The dashcam automatically enters parking mode when it detects that the car is parked. It will record any physical movement or bumps that may occur while your car is unattended. This is especially useful if you're worried about hit and runs or minor fender benders while your vehicle is parked. 4. G-Sensor Motion Detection. The 122 dashcam is equipped with a G-sensor, which detects sudden impacts or movements during driving or while the vehicle is stationary. In the event of an accident, the footage is automatically saved and locked, ensuring that crucial evidence isn't overwritten. This feature helps give drivers peace of mind knowing their footage is safely stored when it's most needed. Pros: high-quality 720p HD recording, wide 140 degrees viewing angle for comprehensive footage, easy to use Click-and-Go Pro mount with magnetic power connectors, intelligent parking mode for added protection when the car is parked, G-sensor for automatic impact detection and locked footage, compact design that doesn't take up too much space in the vehicle. Cons: the 720p resolution, while adequate, might feel a little basic compared to some competitors offering 1080p. Limited to a 2-inch screen, which may be too small for some users who prefer larger displays for viewing footage in real time. Value for money. At its price point, the Nextbase 122 dashcam delivers good value, especially considering the inclusion of features like parking mode and motion detection. However, there are other models on the market that offer 1080p resolution, which might be worth considering if you're after higher definition footage. Comparison to competitors. When compared to other budget-friendly dashcams in the same price range, such as the Vantrue N1 Pro, the Nextbase 122 offers a wider viewing angle and intelligent parking mode, which gives it an edge in terms of overall functionality. However, models like the Garmin Dashcam 45 offer 1080p recording at a similar price point, making them a strong competitor if you're looking for slightly higher resolution. Build quality and longevity. The build quality of the Nextbase 122 is solid for an entry-level dashcam. The magnetic mount system is convenient and sturdy, and the camera itself feels durable. As for longevity, while there is limited long-term data available, Nextbase has a reputation for solid build quality and reliability, so this should hold up well with regular use. Customer support. Nextbase has a strong reputation for customer service, with quick response times and helpful assistance based on verified buyer feedback. Their website also offers detailed FAQs and support guides, which should help with setup and troubleshooting. Who it's for. This dash cam is perfect for drivers who want a reliable, easy-to-use system for everyday driving and protection. It's especially ideal for those who prioritize ease of installation and the security of having footage in case of an accident or damage while parked. However, if you're looking for high-definition footage or advanced features like Wi-Fi connectivity, you might want to look at other models. Conclusion. Strong option? If you're looking for a budget-friendly, reliable dash cam with solid features like parking mode and impact detection, the Nextbase 122 is one of the best options in its class. Midway CTA. If this breakdown is helping you navigate through your dashcam options, don't forget to give us a quick like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay in the fast lane for fresh reviews. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. And let us know what you think of the Nextbase 122, or share your experiences with your dashcam. Links to the product mentioned are in the comments and description if you want to check it out. See you next time. And remember to keep your ride autovated, because safety should never take a backseat.